Guys, this YouTube channel is currently trending heavily on YouTube. The channel is called Life at -71°C. So, what makes this channel special? It's because the channel is very new to YouTube, meaning there's a high chance of people being intrigued and drawn to its content. If you look at their latest videos, even the ones uploaded just a few days ago have already gained an unexpectedly large number of views. All of this content has been created using AI tools and smart techniques. The best part, the channel is already monetized, even though it's very new. So you can clearly see how this channel is successfully growing on YouTube right now. They're getting really good results from it. If we take a look at the most popular videos on this channel, you'll see that one video uploaded just a month ago has already reached around 1.7 million views. Likewise, all the other videos have gained hundreds of thousands of views as well. These kinds of videos, about life during snowy seasons, are actually super easy to make. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to create videos like this. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And now let's dive into how to make videos like these. Alright, the first step is to create the title and script for our video. For this, I'm using ChatGPT. First, go to ChatGPT and input a simple prompt like the one below. You can also change the font or wording of the prompt however you like. Then, ChatGPT will generate 20 video ideas for you based on that prompt. After choosing your video title, it's time to generate the script. What you need to do is paste this prompt into ChatGPT and replace the X with your selected title. Then ChatGPT will generate a full video script based on your chosen topic. That way, you can easily generate a high-quality script for your video using ChatGPT. Alright, let's now see how to build the rest of the video. To create our video, I'm using this website called Pixverse. We can use it to easily generate the video. Before that, if you're serious about uploading YouTube videos regularly, it's a good idea to upgrade this website for better features. First, click on the video option. Then, select your preferred duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Choose 16:9 for normal widescreen. If you want, you can also select the background sound. Then, you'll see two fields: describe the content and create. Copy the visuals and sounds parts from your prepared script and paste them into these fields. After that, click the Create button. The site will take a few minutes to process, and then it will generate a video clip like this. Repeat the same process to generate animated clips for your remaining scenes as well. The final step is editing the video. First, import all the generated clips into CapCut. Then, arrange them to match the scenes properly. After that, click on the aspect ratio option and select the 16:9 ratio, vertical format. If you want to add any other edits, go ahead and do them. Once everything is ready, export the video. That's it. So what do you think about today's video? I feel like today's video will be really useful. Let's get ready for the next one.